M177. Today it's Thursday, 8th of September 2022. Why I paused this engine? Like I said in the previous video, first they told me that we're gonna use an ARP stats. Then they told me no, we're gonna use a stock one. Then they told me again, you know what, wait, because it might come the studs next week. And yesterday they said to me, no, close it with the stock head bolts. And later on the customer, he's gonna come back whenever we're gonna receive it to put the studs inside. I said, okay, as you like, as you wish. And we're ending up in today, continue closing the engine. Alright, putting hydraulic lifters, camshafts, the timing, where I'm pointing with the camera. I'm not watching through the camera, I'm just watching the engine. Moving on. Alright, now hydraulic lifters, camshafts, cam adjusters, the brackets all being installed, the small brackets here, because when it comes to time to remove these brackets, I don't want to jump out the camshafts. Alright, timing chain tensioners, the main one for the bank 1 and for the bank 2, it's been torqued down. I already torqued the cam adjusters. Let's just remove the gear from the bank 2. This locking tool, this is just, it goes between the, I have to lose it a little bit. It was at this place earlier. Here goes like that to be able to torque it down. Then you remove it. Now what I need now, I need to remove these brackets. Alright, I already removed the pin down from the crankshaft. This is to have it in place here for the crankshaft. You see, that's nice. That's sliding in and out properly. Yeah, this is not a tool to torque down the damper pulley, by the way. There's a different tool. This is just only to lock it, to be correct, to make the timing. Don't try to torque down the damper pulley with this tool. It's not gonna happen. Yep. So yeah, let me remove the brackets twice, turning the crankshaft and try to lock it again. Finish with the timing. Now removing the timing tools. It's perfect, it's aligned excellent. Alright, removing timing tools, continue with the covers. And this is where am I now. I close the covers, the actuators front, everything okay. Now, that's what the parts I have here. I need the heat shield, I need the exhaust manifold, I need the thermostat with the water pump housing. It comes together actually, this one. Fuel injector, spark plugs, intake manifolds, engine mount brackets, wiring harness. Yeah, intercoolers front, throttles. It's supposed to be together. Let's see when they're gonna give me the rest. I need to call Annie and Omar to get, because some parts are brand new, some other parts are the used one. The thermostat, let us say, it's brand new. Fuel injectors, I'm gonna put the old one. They don't have any problem. It's very low mileage. Same thing also with the high pressure pumps. Okay, let's see. I'm not gonna upload the video. I'm gonna wait till the end of the day to see what parts I'm gonna get to continue working on the engine. PCV arrive, waiting for the thermostat. I'm going outside to find the rest of the parts to put the exhaust manifold here, preparing it. Okay, we have here the engine. We start dressing it, alright, and Miss Annie here, she's holding the thermostat. If it falls down, after that we have to throw it for scrap.
No, hashtag.
She's holding the thermostat and she's going like this. Hey, how nice. Arranged to throw it down, brand new, and to be everybody happy, right? Let's put it back in place. Vaseline and sew it up over there. Yeah. Okay, Mr. Nufo? Nice, eh? Yeah, it's the last time that you see it like this.
Yeah.
Because when you try to open it again, you're gonna come in 10 different pieces. Yeah.
No, we have this board, right?
What I have?
Board.
Do I? We're gonna find it, no worries. Let's move on. Alright, crankshaft rear seal in place. Alright, installed. 23.422. Alright, and the crankshaft holder in place to torque down the damper pulley bolt. This is the same crankshaft holder that I'm using for the M156, M157, M177, all pretty much. 113K, same, alright. It's nice, it's good. Move on. Something so simple and it's working so well, and it's not costing nothing actually. If you go to scrapyard, literally it's not costing anything. It needs 10 minutes to fix it. Need more time to paint it. Not like how I paint it. This, by the way, this crack, when I was trying to loosen 113K pulley, it made one small crack and I have to weld it again. Then you need more time, let us say, to remove it. I remove it, why? Because I have to put also the crankshaft rear seal, otherwise I can put the tool inside without removing the stand. That's why I fixed this special tool for the flex plate bolts, so to be able to reach there. Nice. This is obviously, it's a bolt that I cut it and I make like this. It's working fine. Couple of years now. And I have here the old flex plate bolts and the 70mm bolt. This together, it's a kit, if you like. Move on. Do you put the new oil filter inside, right, Mr. Nufu?
Yeah.
Very good. Excellent. A second, let me finish the video here because the rest will gonna be with you. I make one mistake here with the PCV. This is from a GLC, it's not from a C-Class. We are expecting to get the correct one. We had from that side, we don't have from the bank one. We are expecting that. Brackets, couple of things, wiring harness, and actually now the guys are gonna finalize the engine. Okay, Mr. Nufu? Me, from my side, it's fine. I'll put it bolted down, alright, to secure it, the nuts up. Fine, again it fell out. Nufu, find one cap here for the... Yeah, find one good one to block it properly, don't fall anything inside. That's it. After that, it has to be placed inside of this box, and then we have to ship it. Yay! Maybe I'm gonna make another one video, one small video, how it gonna looks like when it's gonna be done. That's it. Thank you.